Hey guys, how's it going? This is George from technology.com, and in this one we're going to have a look at the Makalu 67 gaming mouse. So let's get started. Makalu 67 is one of the mouses which you not often see, from coming with a stylish box all the way up to being 100% recyclable. That's right, Makalu, which comes from a company called Mountain, where Mountain really loves creating 100% recyclable items, and as you can see, it's part of Plastic Bank, where they get rid up to 25,000 kilograms of plastic from the environment and the ocean every year in order to create the product. And it's really awesome to see more companies contributing to a better and more healthy environment. The box is closed by using a strong magnet on the front. As you open it, you're gonna see the mouse inside, as well as you're gonna see a thank you note on the top of the box. Also, Mountain brings you with a user guide, as well as with some very cool stickers. And finally, you can remove the mouse from the base. Careful, because the cable is hidden under the cap. We're gonna talk about the mouse a bit later. Let's have a look what else is in the box first. Together with the mouse, you also get two pads in order to replace the bottom stickers of the mouse. This helps the mouse to navigate better while you're moving it around. You may lose them, they may stick out, so that's why you always have a backup. It's very important to mention that the box is 100% recyclable, even the foam where the mouse is stuck in. So make sure to not toss the box around, and if you really want to get rid of it, I highly encourage you to recycle it. Speaking of the design, I really like the rib cage style of the mouse on the bottom. This really makes the mouse a lot lighter, and as you can tell from the name, it only weighs 67 grams. That's right, makes it super light and certainly way lighter than any other mouse I have used before. All the buttons are easily clickable, and it certainly fits very well on your hand. Now I'm gonna be silent for a few seconds in order for you to hear the true sound of when you press on the buttons. The Makalu 67 is the very first mouse coming with the PAW 3370 sensor, which makes it very sensitive up to 19,000 dpi. This makes it 50% less prone to errors compared to the PAW 3389. The button at the top is what changes the sensitivity. It has 5 levels of sensitivity, 100 being the lowest and 19,000 being the highest dpi. By pressing on the button multiple times, it allows you to switch from those different levels. Every mouse has durability, and on average, every mouse will start to wear out at about 20 million clicks. Makalu 67 can be stable for up to 50 million clicks, which makes it twice and a half more stable than a typical mouse. It's worth mentioning that the average gamer will do about 10,000 clicks per day, and if he uses the Makalu mouse, he will expect the mouse to be stable for well beyond 10 years. The Makalu 67 sits at about $59.99 British pounds sterling. With all these features, top-notch design, sensitivity, accuracy, and ease to use, and simplicity, it's definitely worth to give a shot and certainly to put it on your consideration list. Another thing I really like about this mouse is that it comes with a very flexible cable. Although I couldn't find any statistics on how durable it is, it looks like it's very durable and is barely affected even if you fold it hard. But I highly recommend you to still take care of the cable in order to make it last as long as possible. Of course, it's very difficult for me to come up with an opinion of a product unless I actually use it. And so I switched to the Makalu mouse for about 2 days, and I was honestly able to see a massive difference. I was able to use the mouse very quickly, doing all the tasks very quickly, for example clicking all buttons, moving windows around. Because of its 67-gram body, very easy for me to move the mouse around, and the pads on the bottom of the mouse was even making it a lot more smoother to move the mouse along the surface. Certainly there weren't any glitches, and the experience was very, very smooth, in contrast to the previous gaming mouse I was using, which certainly is more than 100 grams. Honestly, I'm very happy with the Makalu 67 mouse, and I'm actually considering to switch for this mouse for everyday usage. And now I would like to turn on you. What was your favorite feature that you saw from Makalu 67? Have you already got one of those? And if so, for how long have you been using it? Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. And furthermore, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, share this video to your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell right next to it in order to receive our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you to my next video.